the state or province which is represented on the O column. So O2. You see, United States, West, Washington. So, for example, let's say we want to merge, we want to concatenate the countries and the regions together so that it will appear as, for example, this first, the first item here, which is on the second row. We want it to appear so that it will show that okay, United States, comma West, the West aspect of United States. M2. So the row is M, the column is M, and the row is 2. So quickly, M2. We want to concatenate this first cell with this second cell, which is the region. So when you reference the first cell, you write comma, you insert comma. Then,
if you want to become an expert in Microsoft Excel, get my full self-paced Excel for data analysis course just for a token of 1,500 naira. Contact me on WhatsApp to get it now. That's my WhatsApp number displayed there.
You start the double apostrophe. Then, if you want, this is telling us that okay, that we are done with the first cell. We want to concatenate now. Now, if you want comma to appear between the first text and the second text, at this point we will insert comma, then you space, and then insert another apostrophe. But if you do not want comma to appear, if you do not want comma to appear between the first text and the second text, you can just cancel this comma. But I want comma to appear there, so comma, then space, then the second apostrophe. Then we'll now reference the second cell that we want to concatenate, which is this particular cell, which is N2. In that case, we'll now reference it N2, and that's all. So there's need for another comma. That's the last. So M2 concatenate with it N2. So you can see it has now appeared as United States West. So likewise, if you want to concatenate it with the third row, with the third column also, you can still do the same thing. It's N2, comma, apostrophe, comma, space, another apostrophe, then comma, then all the next column there, which is the state or province which is represented on the O column. So O2. You see, United States, West, Washington. So likewise, as it stands, we can as well draw. If you place a cursor on this point and you draw it down, it will actually duplicate the same function consecutively for the following rows here. For example, let's say we want to repeat the same. Instead of typing for each of the rows, for example, we want to do the same thing for the next row here, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Instead of typing the formula all over, all we need to do is just place your cursor here and drag it down. It will reference it. It will repeat the same formula for each of them, for each of the rows.